Hi, Warren and Liz from Australia. We've travelled over to China to inspect the DXTECH machines and to see our new sheet laser operate for the first time, which was very impressive. It cut heavy 20mm mild steel material with no trouble. The machine was changed to lay out how we wanted it, with a longer than normal laser source, and everything looks good. The factory's very impressive. The staff have been very friendly, and we've been able to communicate
very easily. It's coming from a long way from Australia to China. My first time to China. Warren's been a couple of times, but it's been very, very good. Very good.
Yes, very enjoyable and comforting to see the new machine work.
So we appreciate the opportunity to be able to come to your factory to have a look. It makes it a lot more easier to understand and to see what other products that you do make as well. So for any future purchases would be maybe possible.